Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Judith stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and the triple crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3. I have already made 21 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're then going to make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 3 chains. You're going to skip 1 stitch and then into each of the next 2, you're going to make a double crochet into each of. Then you're going to make a triple crochet over the 2 doubles you just made into this stitch that we skipped. So everything is looking like this. We're now going to start repeating this. You're going to skip 1 stitch and then into each of the next 2, make a double crochet. Then make a triple crochet over these 2 into this stitch that you skipped. Skip 1 stitch into each of the next 2, make a double crochet. Then make a triple crochet over these 2 into this stitch that you skipped. Skip 1 stitch into each of the next 2, make 1 double crochet. Then make a triple crochet over these 2 into the stitch that you skipped. Skip 1 stitch into each of the next 2, make a double crochet. And make that triple crochet into the stitch that you skipped. Skip 1 stitch into each of the next 2, make a double crochet. Make that triple crochet into the stitch that you skipped. You're going to skip 1 stitch and then into the last stitch of your row, make 1 double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. For row 3, we're simply going to work 1 single crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 3 is looking. To start row 4, make 3 chains. So row 4 is going to be very similar to row 2. We're going to be sticking with this same sequence where we skip 1 stitch, make 2 double crochet. But then when we make our triple crochet, instead of making it into the skipped stitch, we're going to be making it into these spaces that we made in row 2. So I'm going to go ahead and start the sequence. I'm going to skip this first stitch. Into each of these next 2, I'm going to make a double crochet. I'm then going to work my triple crochet over these 2 double crochet I'd made, but into this space to the right of all of this right here, this stitch, into this space right here. So that's how everything is looking. Now I'm going to continue on. I'm going to skip this next stitch, work 1 double crochet in each of the next 2, Then I'm going to make my triple crochet into this space right here between these stitches. Skip one stitch into each of the next two, make a double crochet. I'm ready to make my triple crochet over these two and into this space right here from row 2. Skip one stitch into the next one, make a double crochet, then into that next stitch, make a double crochet. Make that triple crochet over these two and into this space right here to the right from row 2. Skip one stitch into each of the next two, make a double crochet. Make a triple crochet over those two into this space right here to the right in row 2. Skip one stitch into each of the next two, make a double crochet. Make a triple crochet over these two double crochet into this space in row 2 to the right. When you run out of stitches in this row, you're going to make one double crochet into the last stitch to complete row 4. And that's how row 4 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 3 and 4 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Judith stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.